Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how petrol pumps measure fuel accurately. Go from inside the machine.
We analyze the fuel's behavior, examining its density, viscosity, and flow accuracy through these precise measurement tubes.
Flow rates are critical. We're exceeding the calibration threshold.
Adjusting precision margins now. It's stabilizing.
Every calibration module must meet strict accuracy standards.
Every component is inspected before leaving the facility.